So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a listing in eBay. So first of all, go to ebay.com, log into your account. After that you can see hi and then your name, daily deals, brand outlet, gift cards, help and contact. You can see ship to, sell, watch list, my eBay, notifications as well as a shopping cart. So through here you will need to access your seller part of the page. So go to your account settings. And you can see here personal info, selling, donation preferences, account preferences, payment information. So underneath, you can see seller dashboard, seller account, subscriptions, and so on. Go to your seller dashboard. Now through here, you can see your account. You can see summary, seller account, preferences, so on. So through here, you will see your listings. And I'm just going to show you guys how that would look. So through here, you can then see your listings. After that you can see manage your listings, and you can see this row of your actions that you can do with listings. So just check the listing you want to delete, and then you can go to the actions, which will include only the checked listings, and you can click on end listing. From there you'll be asked for maybe a reason, maybe just to confirm your decision, depends. After that, it's going to be removed, so no other accounts on eBay will be able to see that listing, and you won't have any bids or offers from other accounts to buy that item. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.